In this episode, we test drive the Nova and Omega as we continue to decide which one deserves the makeover.
We're out here today in the back lot of Holley. This is where we do a lot of testing with our cars. And today we brought out some of the best cars that we've found in the industry. They're not the typical thing you think about when, oh, I'm gonna drop some horsepower in a car, but they're very capable. They're both rear-wheel drive, both from the 70s, right before stuff started switching to front-wheel drive.
The good thing is these cars are affordable and unloved. However, they share a lot of the parts like the front subframe and rear suspension from first and second generation F-bodies, Camaros and Firebirds. So that means parts are very readily available and also affordable.
For shizzle. We're gonna get in the cars and test drive them and see what our initial thoughts are, because we have not driven these cars yet. All right, getting into this thing? Okay.
Just a little cold. You smell kind of a burning something. What is that sound?
It's the speedometer cable spinning.
I can feel the flat spots in the tires.
What's that? That screwdriver?
Yeah, it's the screwdriver handle. What if the air conditioning works? I heard some questionable cars make some questionable sounds, but that's top of the list.
This feels pretty good. I don't know if it's the spring on this accelerator, but it feels real racy.
Whoa!
Mustang's trying to call us out.
Man!
Didn't come equipped with a clock, so it's just got dials there.
Oh, it's just to remind you how poor you were. We may not need to do anything. It might just be race ready.
This thing's a winner. Oh, we're stuck right at 25 right now, so that's good. I like it. That's cool.
And this is a 76 Omega.
I think it might be, so in the other X bodies, these circular gauges didn't come out till 77.
Getting out of the Nova and into the Omega, the difference between the two is astounding. First of all, we have bucket seats with a center console and a floor shift. So this is very sporty. The steering wheel cover on this is pretty hefty, which gives it kind of a heavy duty race car feel.
Oh, it's trim in here.
The peanut butter is strong. Yeah, the throttle doesn't quite stick, but it doesn't return to zero with confidence. I'll say that much. Starts right up.
Yeah, this turn signal stalk just feels utterly disgusting compared to the other one in terms of how confident you feel going left and right.
Extremely lame.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a little gas right here.
Hold on.
Something's off with this. So.
Look at that beauty.
Looks good sitting still.
There we go. Appears to be a small block Chevy of some sort.
I like this looks all stuck. It looks like someone's hodgepodged it all together, but that's 100% stock right there. Kind of the same mess right here.
I would assume this is a 350 just going off the way it runs.
I like this. I guess it's sound deadening, I guess, but this looks like it's about to combust at any second without the flame. Okay,
so we just took the Omega and Nova around the block.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Got a little scared for a minute when that Mustang rolled by us.
Man, it's just
yeah.
Everyone wants a piece.
What are some of your favorite things about the Omega?
Nothing.
You don't like anything about the Omega?
No.
At all? Okay.
Not right now.
What do you hate most about the Omega?
Its level of luxury. Oh. It's trying too hard to be something it's not.
Yeah, I feel like that sometimes.
Sorry. Nova it's no frills. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's just a
Yeah, it's like a
car.
grunge band, but it's a car.
Yeah.
Next episode, we're gonna go out to the track. We're gonna do some drag racing. Gonna try to do some burnouts.
That's where the action's at. That's where these cars are going to show their true selves, if they're really hot rods or not. Well, just let us know what you think, because ultimately this build's about you guys. That's nutty.